In this discussion on the Social Responsibility and ISO 26000 training course, we will look at the following. What is ISO 26000? The benefits of social responsibility. Why take a course on ISO 26000? A review of the training material. A look at CBG and why it offers a competitive advantage. A review of the course instructors. And finally, customer testimonials. What is ISO 26000? ISO 26000 is an international standard that provides guidance on social responsibility and on ways to integrate socially responsible behavior into the business of an organization. ISO 26000 is intended to be used by organizations of all types. This slide illustrates the structure of ISO 26000 and lists its key elements. It is important that organizations understand and use the terminology defined by ISO 26000. While not all parts of this international standard are of equal use to all types of organizations, all course subjects are relevant to every organization. The course subjects are organizational governance, human rights, labor practices, the environment, fair operating practices, consumer issues, and community involvement and development. Each course subject includes several issues. Each individual organization is responsible for the identification of issues which are relevant and significant to its business. Adherence to the principles of social responsibility is becoming increasingly important to sell products and services in many countries around the world. Environmental and social matters have wide-reaching implications, short timelines for implementation, and heavy penalties for noncompliance. Further complicating the situation is the fact that many countries or regions have specific regulations, such as the restriction of hazardous substances, which currently is in effect in the EU, China, India, and Korea, and may expand to other countries in the future. Sensing a need for common ground, national, regional, and industry-specific standard bodies are working on creating environmental and social standards. Examples of such standards include the following European Union regulations: the ERP Directive, the Battery Directive, and the Packaging Directive. The framework established by ISO 26000 gives an organization a holistic view of all aspects of social responsibility that it needs to take into consideration. The guidance provided by ISO 26000 helps the organization improve its reputation and consequently improve the following: the ability to attract and retain workers or members, customers, clients, or users; the view of investors, owners, donors, sponsors, and the financial community; and relationships with companies, governments, the media, suppliers, peers, customers, and the community in which it operates. These factors give an organization that follow ISO 26000 guidelines a competitive advantage and help maintain employee morale, commitment, and productivity. Many organizations find it challenging to apply the ISO 26000 standard to integrate socially responsible behavior into the organization. This challenge is caused by a number of factors. ISO 26000 has more than 120 pages. It doesn't include practical examples, and it is not easy to follow. Another challenge is that ISO 26000 is not a management system standard. It is not intended for certification purposes and not appropriate for regulatory or contractual use. As a result, not many organizations know how to use ISO 26000, and they also don't know how to obtain a competitive advantage and other benefits from using the standard. The training course, Social Responsibility in ISO 26000, explains how to use the standard with the help of numerous practical examples. The training also provides a step-by-step implementation plan highlighting how to derive and maintain business benefits. The registration for the training is available through the ASQ website. ASQ members receive a discount of 19% off the regular price. There are no prerequisites to attend the training. This training material is most valuable for the following professional groups: quality managers who want to help their organizations achieve results in the area of social responsibility; human resources and environmental professionals who need to understand the relevance of ISO 26000 to their departments; top management of organizations with the goal of investigating and understanding good practices in the area of social responsibility. Professionals working for companies of all sizes and within all industries will find the material of this course relevant. Representatives of enterprise-level companies with a large and diverse supply chain and representatives of government organizations will find that this course addresses their top business needs. The training is web-based and self-paced. The time to complete the training is limited to 3 months. Instructor support is available throughout the training process via email and through virtual online sessions upon request. This training course can also be conducted on-site for a company or a group of interested professionals. The student will receive login information within 2 business days after registering for the course. As you can see from the screen, there is a clear training plan with recommended timelines for the completion of each module. A welcome document can be provided to the student via email or accessed online. A part of the welcome document is displayed in this slide. As this slide shows, the training material includes slides with audio. Practical case studies are included in each training module. Training materials also include mini quizzes, study material, which are available in downloadable form, and an implementation guide. This training course is provided by Centauri Business Group, a leader in developing and implementing training courses addressing training needs of quality professionals. Centauri Business Group brings knowledge from different fields such as business sustainability, social responsibility, risk management, and business communication in a form customized for quality professionals. This is a unique value proposition that differentiates Centauri Business Group from other companies serving the needs of quality professionals. For instance, social responsibility concepts are explained during this training course with terms familiar to quality professionals such as policy development and auditing. The Centauri Business Group product development team includes world-class experts in management systems, social responsibility, auditing, and business communication who work together to bring a holistic view on the subject to the training participants. Centauri Business Group was founded in 2005 as Quality Professionals Resource Center, and with the addition of new members was renamed Centauri Business Group in 2011. Since 2005, Centauri Business Group has received exceptional customer feedback on its training solutions. The course leadership team is composed of 2 instructors. Matthias Griavina has a background in quality. She is based in Canada and is a certified lead auditor. Steve Rubens is based in California and has a background in business strategy. The course has received a number of favorable testimonials, with statements such as, "The course was well organized and perfectly coordinated." "The course was well structured and easy to follow." Other statements of customer feedback include, "I would be happy to recommend the quality and effectiveness of the ISO 26000 e-learning training program and the enthusiasm, knowledge, competence, and helpfulness of its tutors and staff to any prospective student."